In this video, we are going to see how we can temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So let's say that you want to have a break due to your exams or some other activity. So you want to deactivate the social media just to get out of the distraction. Here's how you can do it on the desktop. Just go to the top right hand corner on your profile icon and click on settings and privacy and click on the settings. And we click on see more in account center section on the left. And from here, we want to click on the profile and personal details. And from this account center option, we click on the manage accounts. We click on manage and we can choose the Facebook profile that you want to deactivate or delete. Click on the deactivation or deletion. And we have two options. Either we can deactivate, the deactivate is temporary, deleting is permanent. So it will say that it will be deactivated and this information you can read through it. Click on continue. And it will ask you for the password. We'll quickly enter that. Click on continue. This is temporary. I'll be back. Click on continue and automatically deactivate my account in 7 days. You can set the time period. Don't activate or reactivate automatically. You can set it to that. Click on continue. And you don't want to even use the messenger. Permanently delete applications for which I'm the developer. You can delete that as well. Click on deactivate my account. So you finally click on this, and this is how you can deactivate your account on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.